Hey everyone, today we're talking about Wells Fargo, one of the largest banks in the US. So one thing Wells Fargo is known for is making banking easy. Their mobile app and online banking let you manage everything from your checking account to loan payments, whether you want to transfer money, pay bills, or even deposit checks. You can do it all in just a few taps. So this bank has over 4,000 branches and 12,000 ATMs across the country. Wells Fargo is hard to miss, and if you ever need help, they offer 24/7 customer service. But it's not just traditional banking, they also provide services like investment accounts and wealth management. So if you're planning for your future, they have options for that too. So right, in terms of the credit cards, Wells Fargo has multiple options, whether you're looking for rewards or low interest rates. And for big life moments like buying a home or financing a car, they offer competitive loan rates and mortgage services. To sum it up, Wells Fargo offers a wide range of banking products and services, whether you're just starting out or managing a big portfolio. With both in-person branches and solid digital experience, they're aiming to meet the needs of today's banking customers. So what do you think? Is Wells Fargo the right bank for you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews on all things tech and finance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.